Thinking about buying a sailboat but have no idea where to start? The truth is, most people pick the wrong boat and regret it. In this video, I will show you how to choose the right sailboat. We will focus on your goals so you do not waste money. The biggest mistake people make is asking, what is the best sailboat? The real question is, what kind of sailing do you want to do? If you are just learning, start small with a simple dinghy. A dinghy is inexpensive and teaches you real sailing skills very fast. For casual weekend sailing, a small cruising sloop is perfect for you. These boats are designed for relaxed trips on the water. If you dream of long-distance travel, you need a bluewater cruiser. These vessels are built strong enough to handle the open ocean. If comfort matters most, a catamaran gives you incredible stability. They offer plenty of space and a much smoother ride. If you want speed, look at performance boats or trimarans. These are built to move fast across the waves. Now, let us look at 3 critical factors before you buy. First is your budget, and you must be very realistic. It is not just the purchase price that you must consider. Maintenance, storage, and upgrades add up very fast over time. Second, consider your current experience level as a sailor. A bigger boat is not always better for a beginner. The easier it is to handle, the more you will use it. Third, think about where you will actually be sailing. Lakes, coastal waters, or the open ocean change everything. Your environment dictates the type of boat you should purchase. Now, let us avoid some very common mistakes people make. Do not make the mistake of buying too big too soon. Avoid choosing a boat based on looks instead of function. Never ignore the ongoing maintenance costs of a vessel. Also, avoid overestimating how often you will actually use it. Here is the simplest way to make your final decision. If you want to learn fast, choose a dinghy. For relaxed sailing, pick a small cruiser. If you want to travel far, choose a bluewater boat. For maximum comfort, go with a catamaran. If you crave speed, choose a performance boat. Always match the boat to your lifestyle, not your fantasy. The right sailboat is not the biggest or most expensive. It is the one you will actually use and enjoy. Start simple and learn the ropes of sailing first. You can always upgrade to a larger boat later on. Take your time to research the market carefully. Talk to experienced sailors at your local marina. Join a sailing club to get some hands-on experience. Ask questions about the specific models you are considering. Inspect the hull and the rigging very thoroughly. Consider the cost of insurance for your new boat. Think about where you will dock or store it. Winter storage is another cost that often gets overlooked. Sailing is a journey that begins with a single choice. Make sure your first boat is a reliable companion. It should be a vessel that builds your confidence. Do not rush into a purchase you might regret. Enjoy the process of finding your perfect match. The open water is waiting for you to explore. Prepare yourself with the right knowledge and tools. Your adventure on the water starts with this decision. Choose wisely and set sail toward your new horizon. Happy sailing and enjoy every moment on the water.